Hello. I just wanted to walk through my very first cloud web app, Cloud Fun Facts Generator. This is just a little piece that I did off a tutorial from ZerotoCloud, but it was very informational though, and learned a lot. So I just wanted to go through the Lambda function. This was actually really fun to learn about and find out you can actually just run code through. Like, this is like everything about the cloud. AWS especially has been very intriguing at the least. I have this already packed in, but if I do a test run though, we can see we get a little fun fact. It is data driven right now, which I will show off next. It does have an API gateway that's all set up, so I can go over to here, click on that, boom, we get a little JSON output there. And I can run over to here real quick and we'll show off the API connections. We have the root set up, boom boom. Our integrations are all set with Lambda, that way you can actually do the call. Our cores is all set up. Fun fact, I had a slash at the end of this at one point and it just did not work. Figured out all you have to do is get rid of the trailing slash and shazam, it worked fine. The more you know. And it's just our general default staging for it. And then the Dynamo table, because that was really fun too. DynamoDB. I don't quite know yet what I would use this for, or what I want to work on next. But I already have endless ideas of how I could use this, and this was really cool. And yeah, I didn't add too many. Like, if I go to here, explore table items, there we go. I didn't add a lot of these. I only did a couple, mostly because I just didn't think I would need a whole ton. Proof of concept, didn't need 30 different like fun facts, but these are all in here. You got your ID and then you got your fact text. Shazam, boom, it works good. I also have the HTML files all in my Notion thing as well that I'll have shared in the description for this. Boom. And then we go all the way back to just going to our Amplify. AWS Amplify. This was a little. It wasn't this was what was the hard part. I just messed with the URL, and it was like made it harder than it had to be. And then all I do is click on here. Boom. We got this nice little front end, and then boom, little fact. Little fact. Another fact. And we only have 4 facts, so it's only going to work so well. But I did want to just record this little bit and put it out there because I want to have a kind of portfolio. I want to be able to have some kind of portfolio, and since I'm going to be deleting all this, so I don't have to like keep paying for small stuff like this on here, I'm just going to have it all documented, backed up, and have entire like documentation on all of it, so that if I ever need to, I can go through on a whim and put it all back together, or I can innovate on it and do something different with it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and this has been Vesper making stuff.